Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Lead Generation Intensive Google My Business Edition, which launched on the 4th of September at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this excellent new release from Jim Mack. Yes, it's the return of the Mack, which is about acquiring clients for local businesses, but specifically it's a way to get leads using the Google My Business 3-pack tool that appears at the top of the listings on Google. Now, traditionally, it's very difficult to actually get leads using this method because the numbers that are listed are not numbers that record the details of the person. But with this method that's taught in Lead Generation Intensive, you're going to be able to overcome this problem that exists in GMB, Google My Business. We're going to call it GMB for the rest of the purposes for ease of explanation in this review video. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, if you're either a local consultant or you have always been interested in having a sideline business as a local consultant where you provide leads to local businesses, then this is an excellent course that's going to enable you to do that. It is something that requires work, so this isn't a passive income method. It isn't a method that just takes a small amount of time. This does take, a couple of hours of work a day, or 1 hour of work a day, certainly at least, yeah. So it isn't a hands-off method. It's a method that works, but the payoff for it is that typically the minimum spend with you for one of these consultancy services to provide leads is going to be around 500, and very normally it would be a 4-figure sum. Yeah, that would be a standard thing. So it's very easy to earn 6-figure incomes a year by offering local consultancy, especially lead generation, which customers need more and more. So if this sounds like it's something of interest to open up a brand new income stream for you, then listen on to this review video. I'm also going to go through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Lead Generation Intensive GMB Edition from the link underneath this video. And also anyone that picks up, starting from my new initiative, starting from September, is my video custom membership program. Anyone that buys any of my recommended products, of which this is obviously one, will automatically join my personal video mentorship program. Now, what that means is that you'll be sent 2 videos a week on different aspects of training in both internet and affiliate marketing. They're at both basic level and intermediate level, 1 a week in each. And all you need to do to join that is to send a copy of your receipt from this product to me at contact@elitetigersgroup.org. Give you that again. It's contact@elite, ELITE, tigersgroup.org. Just put as your subject line video mentorship, and you will be enrolled. So that's video mentorship, contact@elitetigersgroup.org. Send a copy of your receipt for Lead Generation Intensive, and you will then be a member on an ongoing basis of all of my weekly training. So if that's something that appeals to you, then great. Whether you take advantage of that or not, you will of course get my custom bonuses, and to get them you need to click on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. As usual, folks, I don't want that to happen because they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Lead Generation Intensive GMB Edition, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special. So the message for local marketing consultants. $2,500 for 2 hours work doesn't seem fair. Well, that's what this particular local consultant earns for simple lead generation services, and she works poolside because she can. Without cold calling, stress, fighting traffic, unreasonable clients, or high overheads, she's left all that behind. Wouldn't you like to do that too? Well, now you can with this product. This is Jim Mack. You can actually watch this video either here or on my bonus page. It's an introduction to this method, and it explains that while there's a bit of work involved, the payoffs can be substantial. So I'm not going to go into too much detail on what this on this very lengthy sales page, but what the essence of this problem is, that lead generation using the 3-pack listings, so they are the group of 3 recommended businesses that you get when you Google something, was really difficult, because when a GMB is ranked in the 3-pack, tracking lead generation is difficult because a call tracking number is needed to sell those leads, and this is in essence why this product was created. Jim and the team is going to take the GMB and add the call tracking number, and then they're going to rank it in the 3-pack and on the first page in Google. So generally, you will get paid twice for this, because you'll get paid monthly on the front end and you'll get paid for lead generation on the back end. So this is a way to take a $500 a month client and make it a $3,000 a month client. Yeah. As I said, you can read all of this in detail here, and you can also have a look at the short sales video. So what you're going to get with this, obviously, is an intensive training with over-the-shoulder training on exactly how to do this. When you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this sales video here. What is this all about? So let's just quickly run through this, folks. Jim and his colleagues are giving you the easiest ways for finding local brick and mortar businesses that are most likely to want this service, so you'll waste no time barking up the wrong tree. And one of my bonuses will help you further with that. Our tricks to getting the attention of local businesses that need you in a way that will almost guarantee that they say yes almost every time. The perception of slow SEO, pay-per-click, Facebook ads compared to the 3-pack. The best ways to help your client get good reviews on their GMB page, which affects the 3-page ranking. The number one thing that you need to do that gets your phone ringing off the hook with businesses asking for help. The laid-back approach to managing the client's expectations that ensures you get the results your client's looking for. The smartest way to price your Google 3-pack services so it yields big upfront paydays, but also keeps clients with you for long-term recurring income. The secret why continuity income is so important. The best email subject lines for 3-pack prospecting, the perfect way to set things up for your client so that you can deal with any Google ranking changes that come up. What still works for Google 3-pack but not like it used to. The voicemail system that circumvents phone screeners. The Google Drive stack services leverage, why it matters. Access to lists of the best client types. Proven tricks to scale up your business. Understanding how to use citations for ranking, the 16 citation elements, Jim's persuasion tricks for closing almost any client type with less resistance. If you offer a discount, what you must offer with it. The big financial secret most don't know about professional clients like lawyers and doctors. The only time you should accept payments by check, and detailed case studies from Jim's own clients. And there, as I said, is that video. So these are the custom bonuses that you are going to get from me when you pick this up. So firstly, I'm going to give you this video tutorial on 17 different ways to win agency clients. So that is the 17 different ways to get agency clients. Secondly, how to qualify high ticket clients by phone. So this is a way to make sure that you don't waste a lot of your time by actually spending time on clients that have got no realistic chance of actually buying from you. So this is how to qualify high ticket clients by phone, another tutorial. How to run a web agency. So if you want to set up a local consultancy and offer various services to local businesses, this is a 1.5 hour masterclass on exactly how to set up and run a web agency. If you want to extend that and start offering to look after their social media, and perhaps that includes their Facebook advertising, well then this is an Elite Tigers Group training on Facebook advertising and how to run your own ad agency offering that service. And finally, this great course from Kenny Cannon called The Breakthrough, which is another aspect of looking after local clients. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, as well as, of course, my video mentorship. I hope you can see there that they add a lot of value to the front end. So as I said, I'm going to let you read through this sales page yourself, folks. We've gone through all of the main things that you are going to get in there. And also there's plenty of testimonials here, frequently asked questions. You can have a look at all the FAQs there, as I said, and lots of testimonials as you would expect. These are just some examples of the sort of regular incomes that you can get from local businesses using local business consultancy. 100% risk-free guarantee for 1 month with this. So, you know, if you take this on and for whatever reason you think it doesn't work for you, then you can ask for a refund, no questions asked. The price of this, $26.76, which I think is pretty reasonable considering the service that's being offered, and of course the huge commissions that you can actually make with this if you're prepared to put in the time and effort to make it work. Okay, so what are we looking at for the upsells? So the first upsell is a complete suite of marketing products. There are videos for different niches, and these can be used for marketing and prospecting and can be sold for big bucks. There's a the $47 is the price of the upsell, and that includes a complete 3 webinar sales training on this. Second upsell, you'll get access to the Done For You service to rank Google My Businesses and generate leads for the businesses. That is $147. So that is a completely done for you package effectively. Again, have a look at the sales pages for full details. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all of my custom bonuses here, as well as the mentorship training from me, then all you need to do is to click through on any of these green buttons here, and then that will bring you through to the Warrior Plus page. Click on Add to Cart, and then that will bring you through to the receipt page at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access this product, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to that. Thanks as ever for listening and watching this review video. If you've enjoyed it, please click on the subscribe button. You'll be informed every time I release a new one. Until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Lead Generation Intensive GMB Edition.